these two sets represent the pronuclei that are formed by the male and the female chromosomes at the time of fertilization of the egg and the production of a zygote. So let me show you. We're going to use this green circle, which is also the orbis, which is the serpent eating its own tail, with 23 chromosomes representing the male. The sperm swim just like a serpent. So that represents the male pronucleus. And this represents the female pronucleus with the cross coming off the bottom of the circle. And it also has 23 chromosomes representing the female pronucleus. After fertilization and the two pronucleus form, then the two pronuclei move towards each other and they intersect. And then after they intersect, you have the formation of this image, the black and the green in the middle. That's the union of the two sets. And one being the female, represented by the upside down cross, and the other one being represented by the serpent, which is the male. The 23 chromosomes and the 23 chromosomes. It represents the female reproductive system, and I've drawn it conspicuously with a serpent there and a right side up pyramid, and a serpent there and a right side up pyramid, coming down together the fallopian tubes and down to the uterus and the vagina. And so there is a representation of the female reproductive system. As I join these two sets again together, they come together and they form the union of the two. So the serpent seed with the seed of the woman forms that union right there. Well, I'm going to slide the female reproductive system right into the middle of that right there. And I'm just going to leave the whole thing there and take also a still photo. This picture in right now, this is from The Lord of the Rings. This is the Eye of Sauron. And it's the energy that controls all the orb. This energy, this eye controls them all. And I just want you to have a concept of what it is to think about this eye as just a source of pure energy that can control something. Now I want you to look at the dark exit of the eye, the slit in the eye. And now I'm going to slide the female over again, and here comes the female pronucleus joining with the serpent pronucleus, and I'm going to stop it right there. Just looking at the energy that's forming an eye, like a reptilian eye. That's the Eye of Sauron from Lord of the Rings right there. And that is a dark entry point, you know, that's it's like a vacuous empty space making that slit in the eye. Now I'm going to slide that over onto our Venn diagram where the two sets intersect, and now you're getting a perfect representation of the energy of Lucifer onto this planet, and that's the point from which it comes through. And I'm going to replace this in just a minute with another diagram. But there you go. So there's the energy. Every child that comes through there, comes through the union of the seed of the serpent with the seed of the woman. There it is. That is the union of the two. It is cumulatively the female reproductive system. Here is the image I told you that would summarize the entire puzzle that was put together with the female reproductive system with the all-seeing eye, which is also the vagina, which is where every human comes through, the portal, and there's the energy that comes with it. It's out of the pyramid, and then look right there, there's a UFO above it. That would be alien. That tells the whole story right there.